Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank new and returning subscribers for your support. Now, I wanted to actually do a candle holder. I actually have these 4 square glass mirrors that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I have this foam here. Now, I already made another one here, and I had to use these gems. I was actually looking for some wrap, but what I did, I took some brown paper and took 2 strips of this silver wrap here, or silver tape, and just laid it across it and added my gems to it. Actually looking for some bling wrap. It's actually on a long strip, and it would have been so much better. I really worked hard on this project here, but I said I was not gonna let it get the best of me, so here we go. I actually found this little soft wood here that I'm going to be using. And I'll do this all the way down. This was difficult. I'm not for sure if you guys want to make this project. If you do, I recommend you find the sheet bling. This would be so much better because you can just cut it to your desired length and it will work so much better. But this, like I said, it was difficult, but I was gonna master this. So as you can see, I'm just evening it up and just adding my glue. Okay, I'm going to take my cutting knife and I'm just going to go on the sides and cut off the excess. Now I'll do this all the way down. Just make sure that you have something up under this, that way you don't scratch up your table. Now I'm going to set this here aside. I'm going to go ahead and jump in on my mirrors. The little tabs off, I'm just going to place hot glue on them and add my wooden beads. That way it gives it more width. And I'll add glue to this one and just place it together. Make sure I have it even. Adding glue for more stability. I just added the wooden beads to one end. And now I'm going to do the same. Even them up. As you can see, I didn't add glue to the bottom of this mirror. And if you want, you can also stick another long dowel inside, but I'm using what I got here, and I think this holds pretty good. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to take my silver bling and even it up, measure it up against the side. Okay, right here I'm going to be adding my little candle holder. So I'm going to have to take some of these gems off. But as you can see, I'm placing this on the side, making sure it's even. And I'll just cut it in half and we'll do the same on the other side. Just placing a little gem back on. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and glue, and I'm going to be using wood glue. I'm going to add my glue, my hot glue on these balls. That way I have a secure hold. Just press down until dry. Okay, I'll do the other side. The products that I'm using are previously products that I've had, and I really needed to use them up, so pretty much using what I have, that way it don't go to waste. you want to make sure it stands up pretty well. If you place your balls correctly, or your beads correctly, you shouldn't have a problem with it standing straight up. Okay, you see I'm adding a little glue here on the ends. Now I'm gonna add the top. And it's very sturdy. Now you see here on the side, I do have like a little overlay on the sides of the glass. So all you would do, and this, I love this wood because it is so soft. You can just take your cutting knife and just go downwards, but make sure your blade is up against the mirror and just trim it off. And it's a clean cut. And I'll repeat this on each side. Guys, if y'all enjoying this short DIY, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Please share the video. It really helps me be able to put out more content, and also it helps me stay in the algorithm. Very sturdy. Gonna add my little candle holder. Guys, I'll just clean it up real good and let y'all see the finished product. And y'all can tell me what y'all think. So here's the finished product. Please leave y'all comments below. Please let me know if I mastered it. I think they turned out good as far as having to use different material to create it. But y'all please comment and let me know if I nailed it or not. Say yes if I nailed it, or say no if I didn't, and it's fine because I value y'all comments. And as again, if you're not part of the channel, please, I cannot stress that enough, please subscribe to the channel. That way I can stay in momentum. But guys, as always, I'm wishing y'all all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.